Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm testing and comparing two SMACO scuba tanks. One is the S700 Plus, and the other, the S700 Max. Let's get right into the unboxing. The harness of the S700 Plus was separately packed in the box. The main unit came in a sleek, heavy-duty, aluminium carry case. Inside was a user manual with a small wrench, a pressure gauge, and a regulator with a mouthpiece. The 2-liter scuba tank feels solid and high-build quality. The S700 Max, on the other hand, had no carry case. The package option I had chosen came with a dive mask, a harness for the scuba tanks, a pressure gauge, 2 numbers of 2-liter tanks, and a regulator with a mouthpiece. Putting the S700 Plus together was super easy. Just be gentle and mindful not to put a lot of force when screwing the parts with each other. The total weight of the rig is about 3.61 kilos. It feels sturdy and durable. This lightweight design enhances portability, making it convenient for travel and underwater activities. The S700 Max shares the same solid build quality as the S700 Plus. The full rig weighs around 4 kilograms and is simple to set up. However, due to its larger size, it's understandably a bit more challenging to handle compared to the S700 Plus. You've got 3 simple ways to refill the tank. You can take it to any local dive shop for a professional refill. Or use the 8mm refill adapter to fill it directly from a standard scuba tank. It only takes about 16 seconds. Or you can use the SMACO air compressor at home. That takes around 45 minutes per tank. I wanted something lightweight and portable for some fun recreational dives with my son, and these SMACO tanks seemed like the perfect match. He will be using the S700 Plus, and I will be diving with the S700 Max. Let's jump in and see how long each one lasts underwater. Quick disclaimer, both my son and I are certified divers. If you're not certified, these rigs aren't recommended for you. Manufacturers claims the S700 Plus offers around 20 to 30 minutes of dive time under 10 meters, while the S700 Max can last between 30 to 45 minutes at the same depth. Now my son is just 11, so I assumed he'd use less air and get more time, but he was super playful in the pool and ended up burning through air within 25 minutes. As for me, I managed to stretch it to about 40 minutes. Now, let's talk comparison. If you want something ultra-light and easy to carry for quick dives, the S700 Plus is a solid choice. But if longer airtime is your priority and you don't mind a bit of extra bulk, then the S700 Max might be the better fit for you. At the end of the day, both tanks are solid choices if you're after a compact and travel-friendly scuba setup. It really comes down to your diving style. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. We'll be testing these tanks on a real reef dive in the ocean. So, stay tuned.